Hey guys, long time no see. I'm up in the man room today and I've been working on some 3D printing. Got a little printer over here. Gave my nephew Aiden my other printer. Anyways, I got a little bucket here the other day, and as you can see, we got a lot going on. So we'll start here with this little scoop. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. That's from the richest man in Babylon. I don't know why, but I just threw that on the handle. So we'll see if that does the job tomorrow. Got a deucer holder for my showdown troller. Made a little bracket here. And everything just snaps on the outside of the bucket. When you get fishing, that'll be the transducer holder there. When I'm not traveling. Got it so you can set your rod rear end here, the butt of the rod here, and rest it right here if you're just fishing normal dead stick. What else? I've got, that was a prototype of the deucer holder. I didn't put the notch in it like I did there for the wire, but it works just for now for that. It's all prototype stuff. You can see a little notch I made in the plastic, and I'm notching out the top lid so it slides down. I could go a little bit less tolerances and make it to where they'd snap on, but I kind of like to where I can just slide it over, pull it off. Works pretty good. But anyhow, you guys all familiar with the bait pucks? That probably should have made that a little bit more accessible, but holds it nice and tight. Got the old Altoid stackle box. That's one of my first original 3D printed jobs we did. Got some plastics in there and some jigs. So that'll be nice. Got a regular rod holder here for when you're just getting to the lake. And we've got it going around to a little hook setter right here. Built that so you just tuck your rod tip down here. I don't like the loops like they have on some brands, so I just made it hold the rod tip. I know a lot of guys are gonna not like that, but I could care less. It's a $10 rod. Whoop-de-doo if it hurts it. So fish is gonna take that and boom, set the hook, no problemo. Pretty simple to get it set back up in. Just drop the hook in there. That goes over there just how they all do. So once again, that's just a prototype. We'll see if it works. But another thing we've done is a tip down right here. So once I take that jig off this rubber band, this will pretty much be free floating. In the future, I'm going to put a threaded piece that you can thread it forward and reverse to where you can balance it with reverse threads or screwing it in. Just kind of a plastic nut or bolt. Anyhow, we're going to go with Grandpa Mike and Grandpa John tomorrow, and we'll see if we can get this show on the road, do a little fishing. It's been a long time. Another thing, this showdown does AA batteries, but when you don't want to mess with that, or if they die, these Milwaukee power sources have 12 volts coming right there off the side, and this happens to have the right jack for that, so that works good too. So I just wanted to show you that tonight while I was in the house. We're heading out in the morning, and we'll see you on the lake. Okay, here with Grandpa Mike and Grandpa John. We're gonna get some holes drilled and see if we can't get things figured out. Got the bucket there, we'll get it set up. Life will be good. That's what I'm talking about.
chocolate chip cookie and you catch them.
All I had to do to catch that one was go over to Mike and Dad and share some cookies. I saw that tip down, screaming down. Loving it, loving it. Got something sniffing the jacker, Tom. Yeah, buddy. That's what I wanted to see today. That's what I wanted to see. Just told Mike if I didn't set that trap, I'd never see a fish get caught on it. And so we did it, and we got it. Wham-badee-bam. It worked. The trap worked. Love it. I printed that yesterday. Saw a fish come up above me, so I raised up to him and we got him. Fish finder got that one. If we can keep him pinned.
There you go.
Yeah. He came in about 9 feet.
Oh, really?
I had to raise up to him. Settle down. Well, you just want to get me wet, don't you? Took our little salmon egg. Something's on the bottom rod, boys. We'll see if it hits it. There we go. Had a feeling. Just had a feeling. Yes, sir. That's fun. Yeah, I definitely need to make that more accessible there. Just put some voids underneath so you can push this up. But good concept. Great prototype. It's doing the job. Just like that. We're set again. Watch the tip down. Just got to hit on the tip down. Well, guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. As usual, Dad caught all the fish. But it was a successful trip for me. I wanted to see how this bucket thing worked. So far so good. I'm really excited about the trap mechanism, the trigger, and the tip down. Nothing to sneeze at. So anyhow, it's a good trip. Got a few ideas, and we'll try to implement them when we get home. So appreciate you coming along. We hope you have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.